Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be talking about a new product which I have been testing on my Himalayan. As you can see, this is the product which I have been talking about. So you might wonder, what is this? This is actually a quick throttle, which is also known as power throttle. So basically what this does is, instead of giving full throttle, you only need to give half of the throttle to get the full power. It's like getting the initial pickup on all the bikes. Usually these kind of throttles will be used in drag races or in the tuned vehicles to get that maximum initial pickup in any bike. So as you all know, I have not seen most of the Himalayans having this quick throttle, so I thought let me just test it on and see how the pickup and everything is. And seriously, I'll tell you, the pickup is really awesome. So the initial pickup what you earlier used to get in the stock throttle is far better in this throttle. So this is actually from a brand called Domino. So as you can see, so this comes with both the grips and this. So you might ask, will it affect the bike in any other way? My answer is no. So you have most of the positive points and few negative points. So let me just cover the negative points first. So basically the negative point is your bike might drink a lot of fuel because because of that. And apart from that, I don't think so any other negatives are there, because it will be directly connecting. I'll just show you. So the cable goes all the way from here and it connects to the throttle body, which is right there, if you can see. So here where it will be connecting, so no need of doing any major mechanic work, nothing. All you need is the cable and stopper bolt, which you can find in any spare parts shop. So you can, even your bike will also become a more peppier and faster vehicle to accelerate. And after using this, my personal experience is the performance has improved a lot. The initial pickup what I wanted, I am really happy with it, because the initial acceleration what you get in this, you will not get the same acceleration in the stock using stock throttle. So that's my positive point one. And second is it's more fun to ride with this throttle than the stock one. And during the trails or anything, it's definitely helpful for you while doing off-road trails. Because usually what happens, if you're climbing up trail or something, that time what happens, you might lose something. You might need to shift a gear or two. But with this, you can keep the same throttle response, and you can keep maintaining the same pace. So see, usually what happens, when we are giving full throttle, we usually give like this, correct? But with this, you only need to do this much, that's it. So it's almost equivalent to the full throttle power what you get. And in the coming videos, I will show you the difference between the stock throttle and the quick throttle. I'll be doing a comparison. I'll do a speed run where you can see the difference, so you'll get a better idea whether to go for the quick throttle or go for the normal stock throttle. Still, I am been testing it from, I think it's been a month since I've been doing this testing part, and so far I am happy with what I have installed. So I hope if you are planning to purchase one, definitely you can go ahead, and you can also feel the difference once you install this. I hope you like this video. If yes, do hit the like button. Also, if you're new to our channel, do subscribe. And also, if you want more related videos like this, please do comment. I'll be seeing in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.